Om Namah Shivaya. Let's start today's Tech Talks with Honor. Honor launched its clamshell design folding Honor Magic V smartphone in China. This smartphone has 7.9-inch 2272 by 1984 pixels resolution 90Hz OLED internal display, 6.45-inch 2560 by 1080 pixels resolution 120Hz 10-bit OLED external display, Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 processor, 50 plus 50 plus 50 megapixel triple rear camera setup, 42 megapixel front camera, 4750 mAh battery with a 66 watt charging, Android 12 with Magic UI 6, side mounted fingerprint sensor, LPDDR5 RAM, UFS 3.1 storage, NFC, Bluetooth 5.2 and symmetrical speakers. This smartphone is launched in two variants. The price of 12GB 256GB variant is Yuan 9,999, that is around rupees 1,16,000, and the price of 12GB 512GB variant is Yuan 10,999, that is around rupees 1,27,000. REALME launched its REALME 9i in Vietnam in a single variant of 6GB 128GB at the price of 62,90,000 Vietnamese dong, that is around rupees 20,000. Samsung launched its Samsung Galaxy S21 FE in India. This smartphone packs a 6.4-inch FHD plus 120Hz dynamic AMOLED 240Hz touch sampling rate Gorilla Glass Victus protection display, Exynos 2100 processor, 12 plus 12 plus 8 megapixel triple rear camera setup, 32 megapixel selfie snapper, 4500 mAh battery with a 25 watt wired, 15 watt wireless and 10 watt reverse wireless charging, Android 12 with One UI 4.0, in-display fingerprint sensor, LPDDR5 RAM, UFS 3.1 storage, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, IP68 rating. This smartphone is 7.9 mm thick and it weighs 177 grams. This smartphone is launched in two variants. The price of 8GB 128GB variant is rupees 49,999 and the price of 8GB 256GB variant is rupees 53,999. Xiaomi confirms that their Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G, the next Hyperphone, is going to be launched on 19th of January in India. Motorola launched its Moto G71 5G in India. This smartphone bags a 6.4-inch FHD plus AMOLED 60Hz refresh rate, 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution, 700 nits brightness display, rear mounted fingerprint sensor, Snapdragon 695 5G processor with 13 5G band support, 50 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel triple rear camera setup, 16 megapixel selfie snapper, 5000 mAh battery with 30 watt charging, Android 11 with MyUX, IP52 rating, LPDDR4X RAM, UMCP storage, 3.5 audio jack, stereo speakers powered by Dolby Atmos. This smartphone is available in Neptune green and Arctic blue colors. This smartphone is launched in a single variant of 6GB 128GB at the price of Rs 18,999. OnePlus launched its OnePlus 10 Pro in China. This smartphone bags a 6.7-inch QHD Plus 2K 120Hz E4 AMOLED LTPO 2.0 Gorilla Glass Victus protection 10-bit color depth display with 1300 nits peak brightness. Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 processor, 48 megapixel main camera with OIS plus 50 megapixel ultra wide angle camera with 150-degree field of view plus 8 megapixel triple rear camera setup, which are tuned by Hasselblad 2.0 technology. 32 megapixel selfie snapper, 5000 mAh battery with 80 watt wired plus 50 watt wireless charging. Android 12 with ColorOS 12.1, in-display fingerprint sensor, LPDDR5 RAM, UFS 3.1 storage, NFC, Bluetooth 5.2, dual stereo speakers powered by Dolby Atmos, X-axis motor, 3161.09mm square vacuum chamber cooling, USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. This smartphone is 8.55 thick and it weighs 200.5 grams. This smartphone is launched in 3 variants. The price of 8GB 128GB variant is Yuan 4699, that is around Rs 55,000. The price of 8GB 256GB variant is Yuan 4999, that is around Rs 58,000. And the price of 12GB 256GB variant is Yuan 5299, that is around Rs 62,000. In the same launch event, OnePlus also launched a silver color variant of their OnePlus Buds Pro at the price of 799 yuan, that is around Rs 9,000. VIVO launched its VIVO Y33T in India. This smartphone has 6.58-inch FHD Plus IPS LCD 1080 by 2408 pixels resolution display, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, Snapdragon 680 processor, 50 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel triple rear camera setup, 16 megapixel selfie snapper, 5000 mAh battery with 18 watt charging, 4GB virtual RAM support, 4D game vibration while playing games. This smartphone is 8mm thick and it weighs 182 grams. It comes with Android 11 with FunTouch OS 12. This smartphone is available in midday, dream and mirror black colors. This smartphone is launched in a single variant of 8GB 128GB at the price of Rs 18,999. Redmi Note 11S with the model numbers 220117 S5 and 220-117STY with MIUI 13, Android 12, NFC, 4G LTE, 6GB, 64GB, 6GB, 128GB, and 8GB, 128GB storage variants receives FCC certification. Xiaomi smartphone with the model number 220-116SC receives 3C certification, and the Indian variant of the same device with the model number 220-116SI is spotted on IMEI database website. Red Magic 7 5G with the model number NX679J is spotted on TENA certification. Alleged Google Pixel Fold with the codename Pipit, Android 12, 12GB RAM, Google Tensor processor is spotted on Geekbench database website. Samsung Galaxy S22 series is spotted on Chinese website. Redmi K50 Gaming Edition with the model number 2112110C is spotted on Geekbench database website. Oppo Pad with the model number OPD2101 with 33-watt charging support receives 3C certification. Redmi K50 5G with the model number 220-21211RC is spotted on Geekbench database website. A new Poco 5G smartphone with the model number 220-116PG receives FCC certification. REALME GT2 global and Indian variants are coming soon. This is all in today's Tech Talks. I hope you like it. Now, I will see you all on Friday with the next episode of Tech Talks by Pallav. Signing out for now. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, save water, and don't forget to wear the mask.